Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So this is DIY craft videos signing in. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning sewing ideas for your home decor. These are very trending and very beautiful sewing ideas for you guys. These are handmade sewing craft ideas for you guys. These are super trending and very beautiful ideas for you guys. I hope so guys you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super trending and very unique ideas for you guys. Follow for more details, and these are trending and very unique collection for you guys. So guys, I'm thankful to you all guys. Take care. Remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.